Quadratic formula. Work in your place and simplify the following expression. 6 plus square root of 9 all over 2 multiplied by 3. 6 minus square root of 9 all over 2 multiplied by 3. Negative 6 minus square root of 36 minus 20 all over 2 multiplied by 1. Give yourself 5 minutes to answer the activity. Then continue with the video. Your time is up. So let us discuss the example number 1. 6 plus the square root of 9 all over 2 multiplied by 3. So 6 plus the square root of 9 is 3 all over 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Then simplify the numerator. 6 plus 3 is 9 all over 6. Then simplify 9 over 6. We have 3 over 2. Next example, we have here 6 minus square root of 9 all over 2 multiplied by 3. We have 6 minus square root of 9 is 3 all over 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Simplify the numerator, which is 6 minus 3, 3 all over 6. Then simplify 3 over 6, which is 1/2. Okay, let's go on now to number 3. We have here negative 6 minus square root of 36 minus 20 all over 2 multiplied by 1. So let us simplify square root of 36 minus 20, and that is square root of 16 all over. Simplify the denominator 2 times 1, which is 2. We can now simplify the square root of 16. Just copy negative 6 minus the square root of 16 is 4 all over 2. Simplify the numerator, negative 6 minus 4, and that is negative 10 over 2. So negative 10 over 2 is negative 5. So let's answer the question, how did you simplify each expression? First thing first, we solve for the square root of a number. Then we simplify the numerator and denominator. Next, which expression did you find difficult to simplify? Why? So I think that's number 3 because the given equation is too long. Identify the values of A, B, and C. Number 1, we have here 2x plus 9x minus 10 is equal to 0. Our A is 2. Our B is 9. And our C is negative 10. Another, we have here x squared plus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0. We have here A, 1, B, 7, C, 12. So we have here another example which is not written in standard form. 2x squared plus 2x is equal to negative 40. Now if you notice, the constant term negative 40 is not in the right position. So what are we going to do is to use the addition property of equality. So from negative 40, we will use the additive inverse and it will become positive 40. Now to get the value of ABC, okay, the value of ABC is 2, B is 2, and the additive inverse of negative 40 is 40. Another example, we have here x squared minus 4x is equal to 21, which is also not written in standard form. So the constant term is not in the right position, so we will use the subtraction property of equality. Why? Because the number 21 is positive. If the number is negative, so you will use the addition property of equality. Okay, so the value of A is 1, the value of the value of b is negative 4, and the value of c, the subtraction property of equality of 21, is negative 21. Okay, let's go on now to quadratic formula, which is x is equal to negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now, for you to easily remember the formula, I'm going to sing it for you in the tune of Jingle Bells. Okay, so be ready because I am ready. Okay, negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So again, negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So I hope one of this day we can sing it together. Okay, so I hope that by singing the formula will help you to remember and memorize the formula so you can easily solve the equation. Find solutions of each of the following quadratic equations using quadratic formula. X squared plus 10x plus 9 is equal to 0. The first step that we're going to do is to find the value of a, b, and c. So our a is 1, our b is 10, and our c is 9. Then write the quadratic formula. Negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, then substitute the value. Then our b is 10, our b squared is 10 squared, our a is 1, our c is 9, and our a is 1. Then simplify this part. So we have here 100. Again, sorry. So that is 10 squared, which is 100. Then 4 times 1 times 9 is 36. Okay? Next, let us simplify again this part. We have here 10 minus 36 is 64. Okay, then let us simplify square root of 64, which is 10, just copy, negative 10 plus minus, okay, that is 8. Okay, then all over 2. Now, let us simplify the numerator, negative 10. So, we have two parts, the positive 8 and the negative 8. So, we have here minus 10 plus 8 all over 2 and negative 10 minus 8 all over 2. So with this, we are expecting two real solution or roots. Okay, so negative 10, let us simplify the numerator. Negative 10 plus 8 is negative 2 all over 2. So negative 2 all over 2 is negative 1. Okay. Next, negative 10 minus 8 all over 2. Let us simplify the numerator. Negative 10 minus 8 is negative 18 all over 2. So we came up with x is equal to negative 9. Find solutions of each of the following quadratic equations using quadratic formula. So this is our second example. So we have here 2x squared minus 12x plus 16 is equal to 0. The first part is to find the value of a, b, and c. So our a is 2, our b is negative 12, and our c is 16, positive 16. Then write down the quadratic formula. X is equal to negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, then substitute the value. For b is negative 12, b squared is negative 12 squared, a is 2, c is 16, and a is again 2. Now simplify the negative b, the first part, negative times negative 12 is positive 12. Then simplify the square root. Negative 12 squared is positive. Negative 12 multiplied by negative 12 is positive 144. Then 4 times 2 times 16 is 228. So we will simplify now the 144 minus 128, which is 16. Okay, now simplify the square root of 16. So we have here x is equal to negative 12 plus minus 4. So the square root of 16 is 4 all over 4. So we will now simplify it in two ways, the positive 4 and negative 4. So we have x is equal to negative 12 plus 4 all over 4, and x is equal to negative 12 minus 4 all over 4. So let's start solving it. So we have, let us simplify negative 12 plus 4 is negative 8 all over 4. So our answer is negative 2. On the other hand, in negative part, we have negative 12 minus negative 4. Same negative, so we have negative 16 all over 4. So we have negative 4. So our two solutions or root is x is equal to negative 2 and x is equal to negative